Used and refurbished desktop system for sale. Best computers for Photoshop, video editing, and AutoCAD design work. HP brand Z240 SFF workstation systems. Intel i3, i5, and i7 6th Gen and 7th Gen supports, and Xeon processor support systems. Intel i7 6th Gen processor. 8 gigabits DDR4 RAM. RAM upgradable to 64 gigabits. 512 gigabits NVMe SSD storage, 4 gigabits Quadro K1200 graphic card, backside ports, 1 power cable, 1 LAN port, 6 USB 3.0 ports, input and output audio jocks, 1 number serial port, 1 number PS to keyboard port, 1 number PS to mouse port, 3 number DP display ports, front side ports, 1 power button, input and output audio jocks, to number 3.0 USB ports, to number 2.0 USB ports, graphic card have 4 number mini DP ports, 1-year warranty option also available for corporate companies, all major city delivery available, cash on delivery also available, Sushwa Technologies, Hyderabad. For more details, visit our website www.used-system.com. Contact number 8897 458 679.